Assalamualaikum, welcome to STEM International Publishers. This is Tahira Riaz and today we are going to study Social Studies Class 5 Chapter number 3 which is named as State and Government. आज के इस लेसन में हम करेंगे इसकी एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व. आप भी अपनी बुक्स निकाल लें और मेरे साथ साथ एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करें. तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस. Give any two reasons for the needs of the federal government. A federal government is a central government that controls the entire country. A federal government is needed because federal government plays an important role to form provincial governments. Federal government controls all national affairs like defense, economy and foreign affairs. Next is, what do you mean by the constitution? A constitution is a set of rules that defines how the government will operate, what will be the rights of the people and how the laws are made. It is the highest law of the country. Next we have, describe any two functions of the political party. Without political parties, the democratic process in the country cannot move forward. Political parties create political understanding among the people. They bring people together on one platform. And next we have, what is meant by the rule of law? The rule of law means that everyone in a country must have to follow the same rules. The constitution of the country guides to make laws. These laws help keep things fair and safe for everyone. Next is, write detailed answers to the following questions. Explain the interdependence of federal, provincial and local governments with an example. In Pakistan, the federal, provincial and local governments work together to run a country smoothly. Each government has its own responsibilities, but they are also connected and rely on one another. The federal government makes important decisions for the entire country such as national defense and foreign policy. Provincial governments manage things within their regions like health, education and agriculture. However, when the provincial governments need support, they ask the federal governments for funds. Local governments take care of the community level issues such as fixing roads, managing water supply and maintaining schools and hospitals. To do their work effectively, local government need financial and administrative support from the provincial government. Example, a local government identifies that a hospital is needed in the city. The local government sends a request for approval to the provincial government to build a hospital in the city. Provincial government turns to the federal government for necessary funds to build the hospital. This shows how these three levels of government depend on each other to meet the needs of the people and ensure the smooth functioning of the country. Next is, what is the importance of rule of law? Laws protect us from people who might want to commit crimes. If someone breaks the law, they have to face appropriate consequences based on the offense committed. This is important because it ensures that no one is above the law. Without laws, there would be chaos and it would be hard for people to trust each other. The rule of law helps everyone live together in peace. Next is, what are the rights and responsibilities of a citizen according to the 1973 Constitution? Rights of citizens. Every citizen has religious freedom. Every citizen has freedom of speech. Every citizen has the right to get an education. Every citizen has a right to have health facilities. Every citizen has a right to cast a vote. Responsibilities. It is a responsibility of every citizen to obey the law of country. It is the responsibility of every citizen to pay taxes. It is the responsibility of every citizen to protect the country's property. Every citizen has a responsibility to respect the rights of others. Next, write T for true statements and F for false statement. Executive makes laws. False. Provincial government is the central government. False. President is the head of state. True. National Assembly consists of Prime Minister and his cabinet. True. Political parties are not necessary for a democratic country. False. Circle the correct option. Dash controls the national affairs. Option A, provincial government. Option B, local government. Option C, federal government. Option D, judiciary. So, the correct option is option C, federal government. Next is, dash makes foreign policy. Option A, federal government. Option B, executive. Option C, provincial government. Option D, judiciary. So, the correct option is option A, federal government. Next is, That is a set of rules. Option A executive, option B legislator, option C local government, option D constitution. So the correct option is option D constitution. Next is National Assembly consists of option A 106 members, option B 342 members, option C 104 members, option D 345 members. So the correct option is option B 342 members. Next is the highest court is option A Session Court, option B Civil Courts, option C Supreme Court, option D High Court. So the correct option is option C Supreme Court. नेक्स्ट आपके लिए एक एक्टिविटी है, यू हैव टू प्रेजेंट रोमैसा स्टोरी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ रोल प्ले। हमने जो यहाँ पे इस लेक्चर की वीडियो में जो बात की थी रोमैसा की स्टोरी की, जहाँ पे उन्होंने क्लास को बहुत ब्यूटीफाई किया था, आपने जो है उसका रोल प्ले जो है अपनी क्लास में प्ले करना है और विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर क्लास फेलोज एंड योर टीचर। नेक्स्ट, यूज लॉजिकल थिंकिंग। द फेडरल गवर्नमेंट टेक्स चार्ज ऑफ द एंटायर कंट्री, सो वाई आर प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट्स एंड लोकल गवर्नमेंट्स नीडेड। आपने बताना है कि अगर फेडरल गवर्नमेंट पूरे मुल्क का निज़ाम संभाल रही है, चार्ज ले रही है, तो हमें सूबाई और लोकल गवर्नमेंटों की क्यों ज़रूरत है, हमें सूबाई हुकूमतें क्यों चाहिए होती हैं, हमें लोकल यानी कि मुकामी हुकूमतों की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है। आपने सोचना है और आपने अपना आंसर इन लाइंस में राइट करना है। तो ये थी हमारी चैप्टर नंबर 3 की एक्सरसाइज, इसको हमने सॉल्व किया। आई होप कि आपने भी इसे अपनी नोटबुक्स पर सॉल्व कर लिया होगा। मैं आपसे मिलूंगी इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए लेक्चर के साथ। मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त, अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।